Welcome back to our channel. Before we do this, make sure to subscribe, notifications, and like. Well, you only do like if you like this video. So, what we're doing today is we're going to be making some sculptures.
Yeah.
We already made some, as you can see.
We made some!
I made this bingo and Louise made this Elsa. She made the Elsa, I made the bingo. I'm really impressed with it actually. I thought I'll be as dumb as a bingo. I thought I would be as dumb. Yeah. But actually it turned out pretty nice. So let's do what we're supposed to do. Okay. Anyways,
Give me that now.
Louise is doing the Bluey. Yeah. And I'm doing Anna.
Thank you very much.
Hey! Okay, let's get started by opening the packages.
How
How do we open these things?
Oh, I know.
911!
The sticky tape. Somebody stick.
Oh, there we go.
What?
In this box, we have a paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
We have like a little paper of Anna.
Yeah, what is it?
These colors that she has on here, they are the exact same colors in these. Yep. They're the exact same colors of this, of these. And we have a little sculpture of Anna, so that we can paint.
And then I have a
Okay, and the same thing.
sculpture of Bluey.
And the same thing. She has a sculpture of Bluey. She has the same colors from here. She has her very own paintbrush. But if you want, only if you want, you can put some of your own colors anywhere. Like for Louise, she put some different colors in her hair, not just like plain white. Okay, so let's get started. You ready? Okay. Let's get cracking.
Let's get cracking.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, where's my paint? Oh, there.
I don't know how to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the.
You hit me.
Bring your sculpture here. Bring it, not like.
Hey,
Bring the sculpture here.
Yes.
Now you can do your meditating. Okay, I'm gonna start with the hair, maybe.
What hair? Oh.
The hair. The hair. So far, I'm already doing so bad.
Huh? Hey, you weren't doing so bad.
Maybe.
Maybe you are.
Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Oh my god.
Trying to do this thing.
It's so hard. I have to take all this. I have to take all this. I mean, like this over here. Might as well adjust it. I did like half of it. Like, look at
You
that.
put that on my face. My filming.
Oh my god.
Goodness
Why
me.
does painting take so long?
It takes long because you want painting.
As if.
Stop that, you didn't want to.
Oh my gosh.
Filming.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Mom, what are you hearing? What are you hearing?
I can hear the sounds of destruction.
What? We just started doing painting right now.
True. Look how much she did already.
No,
Look how much I did already. She has a lot of hair. That's how much I have to do. Oh my.
Why?
What? Anna, can you cut your hair in a movie?
Yeah, just cut your hair.
Elsa, I cannot. Well, really, I need to.
Hello.
When it's one of our birthdays, maybe we could do like a craft video
Yeah, let's
of,
do it.
like crafty things like
What painting?
make your own party hat or make your own DIY present or make your very own car.
We don't know how to make cars.
Are you filming?
Yeah, he's filming.
Oh. Oh my god.
You didn't know.
It scared me. I'm like,
Well, I
he's
thought,
filming. I'm like,
thought
are
he
you
was
filming? I'm gonna be a movie star after this. And then I'm like,
He's filming. Painting. And you can see what I did. My sister only did a tiny bit. And I did
a tiny bit. Is that tiny? Is that tiny? Is that tiny?
No,
Is that tiny?
that's tiny.
What about this?
Hey! Just tiny one.
Tiny inspector.
What's that noise?
It's a bird that tried to eat our lizard. This is not yours.
Filming.
Oh. Cut.
See? You noticed. It's only one. What?
I just found an unexpected part of look at that. Ready? Look very close. Half of her lip is pink and half of her lip is black.
Can I see? Can I see?
Be patient.
You
Look close.
naughty.
I'll show you. Half of it is black, half of it is pink.
Oh my goodness.
I have to do that.
Yeah, it's
For crying out loud!
It's black. It's pink. It's me.
Oh.
I'm not done yet.
Let me see this. There's more black. There's more black. There's more black.
That looks funny.
We're
Finished! Okay, I'm going to show you something else.
She colored a wet wipe.
This. That's what I mean.
If you forgot what our other ones looked like, here was the one that we did earlier, and here's the one we did now. Let's give you a quick tour. Okay, let's show you what they look like. Who's
Okay,
gonna go
this
first?
is mine.
This
And
is hers from earlier.
this
Give it a
is
quick
touching it.
spin. Give it a quick spin.
Mine. And this is my other one.
That
I
she made
did
just then.
now. And then, hey, don't say that. And then, this is this.
She made a nap.
I just need to put some more, okay?
Okay, so I'm going to show you mine now. This is on the beautiful one. Show you. Oh gosh.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh. I forgot I had black on me. So then I like touched the eyes everywhere and put them on. Never mind, I'll fix that. For this color. Oh gosh. For this color and for this color, I didn't know where to put them, so I actually just put them in the hair just for a shine. Actually, so I'll show you how I did it. So what I did
I just put
was,
chicken.
just need to dry it off. What I did is, for example, this color. I dipped it. What I did, I put it in the hair. I did like strokes everywhere in the hair. I'll show you.
Can I just have this color?
Put strokes
E.
in the hair. Yeah. And then what I did
This is my
was
placemat. Oh,
placemat. Then what I did
okay, I'm gonna
was
rub that off.
I just rubbed it all in. This, just to make it a bit shine and make like a different color. You could do that in your paintings.
Hey!
Oh my gosh. Okay. I know it's all. Oh, Okay.
Bye.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Anna, Bluey,
Bluey,
and Elsa
Elsa.
says goodbye.
Goodbye.
And make sure to
goodbye.
come back.
Come back now.
We'll show you some more videos.
Wee.
Next week or the week before that.
week.
Before that.
Next week.
Anyways, make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, click the like button, pew pew pew. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Wait.
Bye.
Wait. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Bye.